Hello and welcome to another video. I've got some cassette stuff coming up in future videos, so I need to make a demo tape. I'm going to use my demo mini disc just to record a tape, and I thought I might as well use a brand new tape, and I've got two of these and I've never unwrapped one of these new ones before, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to set this one aside, and this is they're both the same. They've got the same barcode on them, so I assume they're the same. They look the same anyway. So these are bog standard TDK FE Ferric 90s Type 1, and the things I've seen online, mainly from Cassette Comeback and some other well-respected cassette experts, say they're a good everyday, not fantastic, but good everyday reliable cassettes, and that's all I need for this demo I want to do. The demo is I'm replacing some belts in a cassette deck. I've got two decks, one needs two new belts, one needs at least one new belt, and I just need a tape that I can I've got an original for, which will be the original music will be on the demo disc, and then I can play that and then play the tape and see what the difference is in the sound quality using the same amplifier. So let's get this open. I'll just go for the ripping the thing open option. I didn't expect that. This is blue. So I suppose I've used, when I was younger, I used TDK Ds rather than the FEs. So I'll get the tape out. We'll look at that in a second. The box is slightly smoky colour, like a smoky box. There's the inlay card, or the J card should I say, now I know what it's called properly. Some labels, probably won't be using the labels, I'll stick a thermal label on. For some reason my phone, which I record this on, just said that it can't record audio because another app is using the audio, and I don't know what that might be. But anyway, hopefully you got the audio for the first part. So there's the cassette. Screwed shell, apparently that's a good thing. You know, I'm not an expert in these things. I just watch a lot of people who know a lot more than I do, basically. I dropped my pen pot the other day. I don't know whether you can hear me. I dropped my pen pot the other day, and my bicker's gone missing. Back in a second. Now I remembered I took the pen in the other room. So it's got to be Bic. Don't use pencils. What kind of madness is that? It's got to be a good old Bic crystal pen. Now, those who like seeing these things can see that tape. I think I'm supposed to say things like nice colour, shiny, well calendared. But it's a tape, you know. I'm going to put it in and record music on it. So that's it. That's all I need for this tape. So that's it. That's all I need for this video. An unwrapping of a TDK FE90. Thanks a lot.